Hello traders, welcome once again to a new video by Flash Trade One. So today in this video we are going to show you our strategy L account, which was started with 100,000 US dollar capital. As you can see on your screens, this was last updated on 6th of September 2021. At that time the profit in this account was 222,000 US dollars. As you can see, we have mentioned over here in the description. Also, you can verify the first order ID. We will verify just now. And the risk reward ratio, what is the current accuracy, and the number of trades, and what is the current break even accuracy. That's all the things we are gonna know in this part, if it has improved or has degraded from before. So let's move on to the account. So here is the account. So this is the account currently. The As you can see, the first order ID, you can check it from the link below. You can go to the previous video and check if this is the same or not. And let's just quickly scroll through this history. So as you can see, it is being traded in multiple cross currency pairs. Most of the cross currency pairs are being traded, not the major currency pairs. Cross currency pairs are being traded in this account. As you can see, no major currency pairs are being traded. So this account is currently in the profit of 257,000 US dollars. So within 2 months we have got more than 35,000 US dollars profit in this account in just 2 months. So that also with as you can see, as this account is having a good balance, still the lot size is not like 5 lots and 10 lots or 15 lots like somebody would do with this capital, but we are playing it safe and going for the safer side and using our TP to book the profit. So as you can see, this is the whole history of this account, and the account statement will be provided to you in the description below. So you can click on the link over there and you will be directed to the OneDrive where you will see the statement. So let's now move on to the statement of this account and check and verify if the previous data are being deferred or being the same. So here is the account statement, as you can see on your screen. So we will go through the aspect that affects this account for being in profit, and how this strategy works, and what is the current situation like, if the aspects that matters are being bettered or are just being degraded or just the same. So we'll check all the things over here. So risk reward ratio, first what we need to check is that, and that we will get from this average trade loss and profit trade that we get over here is 1 jam 0.76. So this is the current risk reward, and as per that the break even accuracy that we get is 56.8 percentage. So what does this mean? As you go with this risk reward, and if you are having anything lesser than this, if you are having 55%, let's say, then your account will go to the loss. But if you go ahead of what this is, and as you can see our current accuracy is 66.8 percentage, so that's 10% ahead, just 10%, not more than that, but still it is affecting much, and it is giving us a good profit. So that's what the reason behind this strategy is, that its accuracy is good as per its risk reward factor. So that's what makes this strategy unique, and if you want the same strategy to be connected to your account, you can ask our executives. They will be very happy to guide you. And if you like our videos, then do make sure to like it and press the bell icon so that you get the regular update from our team. And also you can follow us on each and every social media platform like Telegram, Instagram, or you can contact us on WhatsApp as well. And you can check our blog where we update all our strategies. There is the blog where we update everything. So you can get updates about our all the strategies. Currently there are 20 strategies till now, and these are the if you click on any of this, you will be redirected to our team dedicated for the service. And hope you liked our videos, and hope you have a very fantastic day ahead. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next update. Till then, take care. Bye bye.